In this video, I am giving you my New Year skincare resolutions. I want you guys to join me on this journey into 2023 and tell me, what are your skincare resolutions? You can leave them in the comments below. We can all work through these together to make this our best skincare year ever. I'm Dr. Maren Locke. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I am known here on YouTube as the Budget Dermatologist, where I help make skincare simple. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and come say hi on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. If you don't know where to start with your skin, start here with my skincare resolutions because this will surely get you off on the right foot. My skincare resolution number one for this year is to be more consistent. The only way that you are going to get real and lasting results is to be consistent with your efforts. This is something that I actually really struggle with, and I bet you do too. So here is why this is my number one resolution for this year. If you can master your consistency, you can actually get amazing results with lower strength, more affordable, and more gentle products that are way more enjoyable to use. This is how you can protect and nurture your skin barrier, all the while pushing the envelope just a little bit to get the results that you are after while minimizing those side effects. But you have to be consistent, and this is actually harder said than done. We do not want really strong active percentages and treatments on our face on a daily basis. So here is what I am going to do to achieve better consistency in 2023. Number one, be very clear about your routine. If you are overwhelmed with a lot of products or options or issues that you are trying to conquer all at once, you are likely going to fail. Stop listening to tons of advice from all these different sources. Pick one plan, pick one approach, and stick with it. I want you to avoid indecision and inaction, so be consistent. Number two, have insight into why you fail at being consistent. So for me, it's because I would wait until just before I went to bed, which is at the point where I am basically too tired that almost nothing could motivate me to prolong sleep anymore, and I'd skip the routine on those nights. So I was really being inconsistent. So are you too tired at night and you're losing motivation for your skincare routine? What you can do is move your routine to earlier in the evening, maybe right when you get home from work or right after you put the kids to bed. So change your habit and your timing. This is what has helped me tremendously. Number three, have realistic expectations for what results that you are going to see and when you will see them. This will help you to not get discouraged and give up too soon. Remember, the best and most lasting results will take time to achieve. Number four, have accountability partners or that one friend or several that you talk to about beauty and skincare routines and all of that with. You can have check-ins with them and just really make it a point of holding each other accountable. My number two skincare resolution is to focus on the skin barrier first and foremost. This is so often overlooked because it's not as fun or appealing to do maintenance work on the skin. We are always tempted, I'm guilty too, of trying to just jump right to these products and practices that will give us this instant before and after glow up. It's very easy to focus on the problem areas of our skin, like signs of aging, acne, or dark spots, for example, but I encourage all of you and myself to consider your skin barrier condition and health first before you start attacking those problem areas. Now, this is a very hard one for me because I'm always trying new products to give you guys reviews on here, but I have to keep in mind that I must nurture the skin barrier first and try products only as my skin allows. So here's the problem. Treatment products are often hard on your skin barrier, especially acne products and retinoids for anti-aging. These are extraordinarily rough and disruptive to the skin barrier. So if you are going to use treatment products consistently and you want results without side effects, you have to have a strong and healthy skin barrier to withstand these active ingredients. So here is what I recommend to you and what I am doing for myself. Build in skin repair and rest days into your routine routine, you can check out my skin cycling videos that I've done recently to see a little bit more precisely how I would ideally do this. I will link those in the description. So on your rest or recovery days, you are going to focus on gentle skincare products only that are going to repair and strengthen your skin. It is okay to not try to actually treat your skin every single day. It is okay and actually encouraged to take skincare recovery breaks. So your homework is to find a cleanser, a moisturizer, a repair serum, or a repairing balm to apply to your skin to help your recovery and strengthening process. Now, I personally have a lot of skin barrier repair favorites. I'm going to link all of them in the description of this video. If you've been following me a while, you have seen these up close and personal, probably through multiple of my videos. Some of my favorite skin barrier repair products are the Aven Cyclefate Repair Balm that's great for damaged skin. The Vichy Mineral 89 Serum / Moisturizer kind of hybrid product. I use that one year round. La Roche-Posay makes a double repair moisturizer that's amazing. CeraVe has a night cream that I love. I've talked about that in multiple videos. CeraVe makes a cleanser with niacinamide and ceramides in it that's really great as just a gentle cleanser. I have so many favorite skin barrier repair products. I'm going to link those in the description of this video. But I promise you, you will get better results if you actually do less treatment overall and have more skin barrier dedicated recovery nights. My number 3 skincare resolution is to tap into skincare devices. Now, you want to be cautious here because so many skincare devices are out there. They could be really expensive, and a lot of them are actually very gimmicky and a waste of money and time, to be honest. But there are some out there that I think can really be a game changer for your skin. So one of the things that I love about some skincare devices is that they can give you results without chemicals or ingredients that you have to apply to the skin or to take by mouth. And this is so good for so many reasons, especially if you have really sensitive skin, if you're allergy prone, or you just want a more natural approach. For example, red light therapy devices, which I really like and have added to my routine this last year. But this year, I'm looking to explore more of these light devices and try to use them way more consistently. I am going to link the LED masks that I like in the description of this video. Those are going to be good for acne treatment and anti-aging treatment. And then this year, I'm looking to explore more microneedling devices at home. I want to try laser hair removal devices, pore extractors, home facials, skin tighteners. There's just such a fun list that I've been building of products that I wanted to try. So that's coming all this year. You can follow along with me trying those on my channel, so make sure you are subscribed for those videos. Comment below also what devices you guys have tried and loved or what you didn't love, because I love to learn from your ideas and comments. So comment below. Okay, number 4, my 4th skincare resolution is to focus on body care. So the body skin gets neglected so much. We tend to always be focusing like 100% of our energy on our face, which is crazy to neglect everything else. But I actually see people make this mistake all the time. It is really important not to neglect the other parts of the body for your skin health as well. But this does mean that you will need to plan for this and to take more time for your skincare routine to treat and nourish your body skin as well. Somehow I got really off track toward the end of last year with this. Maybe you guys have too. So for the new year, I've restocked my favorite body skincare items. Here is what I recommend that at least I personally love. Again, all of these are going to be linked in the description. So in the shower, I love an oil cleanser for the body. I find this to be very nourishing to the skin and effective at removing waterproof sunscreen, which is really going to come in handy during the summer for you. But in the winter, or if you live in drier climates, I love the oil cleanser for the body because it is so effective at preventing that dry, flaky skin look on the legs. It just creates this nice hydration layer that really feels good on the skin, and then you seal that in with a great moisturizer right when you get out of the shower. So for the oil cleansers for the body, my favorites are, there's one by Aven that I really like. There's one by Bioderma, Kopari makes one that's like this vitamin C shower oil that foams up and is really nice. I'm going to link all three of those below. My favorite body wash to use in the shower is by La Roche-Posay. It's the Lipikar AP Plus Moisturizing Body Wash. It has niacinamide in it. It's very nourishing for the skin. It is from the Lipikar line, which is actually very moisturizing and amazing as a body moisturizer. I use that one all the time. It is my go-to. Literally no other product can nourish and hydrate the skin quite like the AP Lipikar Body Balm by La Roche-Posay. I'm linking that one below too. Now I have also restocked my Body Retinol. So you can actually use retinol on your body skin as well. That's going to improve your skin texture and just help renew your skin more quickly. I have two favorites. One is by Paula's Choice and the other one is by Versed. So the Versed one is actually a bit more affordable, but lately I've been gravitating towards the Paula's Choice one because it absorbs into the skin more nicely, a little more quickly. I am going to use that one a couple times a week, but both are good options, so I'm linking both of those below. Now, Paula's Choice also makes this product that is a 5% niacinamide body serum. I saw it recently on their site. I have not tried it yet, but speaking of body care, I think that that is another potentially good product to add into your routine. So I will be trying that one out next. So my point here is just to focus on a body skincare routine that works and to be consistent with that too. And number 5, my last skincare resolution for the year is to cut down on your skincare clutter. No one needs to hear this more than me, literally no one. You can ask my husband. Our bathroom is insane with skincare products in my closet, in cabinets, it's just beyond. So to myself, and maybe you need to hear this too, but less is more. So clean out and start fresh. I encourage you to avoid that temptation to overbuy because this will lead to overwhelm. So we are going to choose patience and persistence with just a few products over the long haul. Now, one of the ways that I'm going to stick to this resolution is that when I go through my products to downsize, I'm going to be making videos along the way, sharing my thoughts on that product or brand reviews. I did one recently by like a brand review of Paula's Choice. So I am going to link that video below and just do similar videos like that as I clean out my stockpile because there's so many amazing products in there, but I cannot possibly use all of these enough to make it worth it for me to keep around. But I want to create this more extensive library of brand and product reviews videos so that you can look through them if you're considering these products or looking for new products to try. So I hope you guys will subscribe and check those out along the way. So which of those skincare resolutions can you relate to? If you want to join me in 2023 to get your best skin yet, comment below. We will all take this journey together and learn from each other. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you guys soon.